Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. I have always emphasized the need of practicing yoga or meditation while studying. In my previous video on 5 tips to study for longer hours, which I'll give in the description below, I have also given as an additional tip that how yoga or meditation or some sort of exercise helps you. Specifically, yoga has various benefits like it relieves muscle tension due to sitting for long hours and then increasing concentration, grasping power, it increases your blood flow, etc. 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 So I suggest you that here are the few asanas especially for students which help them during their exam preparation period. So watch these asanas, you will understand how you should do it and for how much time. It will not take more than 35 to 40 minutes. So do that will help you. So let's get started.
Number 1. Vajrasana. It is one of those powerful asanas for students who have memory problems. In this pose, you are supposed to kneel down on a flat surface. Ensure that your ankles, toes and knees touch the ground. Your spine should be straight. Place your palm on top of your knees. Now close your eyes and relax for a couple of minutes or even 10 minutes if required. This asana helps in calming your mind and if done regularly, it helps elevate concentration. So do this asana for at least 5 minutes before you start studying because this will help in increasing the blood flow and retaining what you studied. Number 2. Anulom Vilom, a 5-minute pranayam exercise which can help immensely in balancing your emotional energy and get rid of negative thoughts. It will help to purify and balance the energies at the physical, mental and emotional level. So practice this using your right hand to manipulate the flow of breath flowing through alternate nostrils. Use the right hand thumb to close the right nostril while right hand ring finger to close the left nostril and breathe one by one. This exercise is best done on an empty stomach, so try to do all these exercises in the morning, and this particular will require only 5 minutes and will have a great impact. Number 3. Bhramari. Use your index finger or thumb to close your ears. During the process, keep your eyes and lips gently closed and jaws slightly separated. Take a long and deep breath in and with exhalation. Make a long humming sound like a bee for at least 10 times. This particular exercise will require maximum 3 to 4 minutes. It will help to release stress and relax the brain waves, resulting in improved memory and increased confidence. So give at least 4 to 5 minutes for this particular pranayam. Number 4. Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is a standing tree pose asana where you stand on one leg and then lift the opposite leg and then fold it by placing it into the corresponding thigh. It is used to strengthening the knees, and for a student it helps a lot in improving the concentration. It plays a vital role. So practice this asana for at least 5 minutes daily and you will see the results. Number 5. Surya Namaskar. One of the most energizing technique in yoga. It is composed of 12 postures which help to influence the working of different organs and glands present in the body. If you do Surya Namaskara, you won't have to do any other exercise. It develops strength, stability and flexibility of body and mind. It helps in improving your lung capacity as well. So at least do it for 12 times. Gradually you can increase if the time permits, but start with 12 times. So it will take not more than 6 to 7 minutes and it will have a long-term impact and you will feel the difference. So do it.
I hope after watching all the asanas with their benefits, now you will understand the importance and start doing it. Today is Monday, so start from today itself. And yes, yesterday you might have celebrated Mother's Day in different ways by helping her in cooking, cleaning, or you might have made her feel special in some other way like gifts, surprises, and that resulted into a beautiful smile on her face. If such a small act of yours can bring a beautiful smile on her face, think when you will clear the exams or when you will achieve the goal. That day she will be the most happiest person on this planet. So do it for her. This reason is enough to keep you going. So make her happy, make her feel proud. Stay motivated, keep studying, keep prepping, keep learning and stay healthy. Thank you for watching the video. All the best. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe now. And for any help, query, doubt session, I am always available. You can contact me through the link given in the description below. Thank you.